Meet the versatile, translucent white polypropylene rod. Your next creative project has been waiting for. This smooth, durable PP stick comes in multiple diameters, from 8 to 50 millimeters, perfect for 3D printing, modeling, or DIY crafts. Its high-quality material offers excellent strength and chemical resistance, while the translucent white finish adds a clean, professional look to any creation. Easily cut, shape, and customize for endless possibilities in your workshop or studio. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore all available sizes and place your order today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more innovative product discoveries and creative inspiration. Key specs include lengths of 50 centimeters, diameters from 8 to 50 millimeters, and made of durable polypropylene plastic.